Scorpio Nations, welcome back again to my channel and to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Crosswatchers are also welcome. This is not your personal reading, guys. Remember to take what resonates and do not manifest the energy of others. I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path. This is not for all Scorpios and this is not your personal reading as well. So please use your own discernment. I knew that you are one of the most intuitive sign in the zodiac. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio, divine God and goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. About love, money, career, business, and studies. If it will not happen directly to you guys, the energy could be happen to the people around you, in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors or in the society where you belong. Let me see your high energy, intense, magnetic, sexy, and powerful reading for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because you are, right? Hep hep, Scorpio. First, we have the Seven of Vessels. This is a scorpionic energy. You could be dealing or attracting a Scorpio. Could also be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Not necessary. Could also be a group of people in the past who tried to put you inside the box. Now they are confused because their illusion are destroyed. These are also the same people who painted illusion on you. The lies, the trickery, and manipulation. For some of these people, guys, they are in your workplace. They are nervous. They doesn't want me to talk. Or your neighboring area could also be in your family, in your friend circle. Take what resonates. Somebody here is visualizing because they couldn't believe, they couldn't imagine how you survived the attack. This person could also be participating in this particular mockery. And now they are visualizing and asking themselves why I didn't believe Scorpio, why I believe this group of delusional people. I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path because there is a Scorpio involved here who are participated in this mockery. I told you, there could be a significant meaning for you with the number 7, 70, 77. It could also be that this person is confused how you survive. Others of you guys, these are the jealous haters, your frenemies. They tried to keep you or push you in the dark because they knew that you are the truth of their profession, of their, I mean, of their lives because you triggered the demons of this person or group of people. There is something inside you that they don't have and they couldn't have. That's why they doesn't want you to shine. They tried to push you in the dark, to put you inside a box. It's a big mistake, huge, because you are prolonged in the darkness. You can live both in the dark and in the light. All they believe is that when they push you, in the dark, you are done. You are not done because you are the phoenix. They couldn't keep the phoenix inside a box or in the darkness. I told you, the more they push you through the darkness, the more you bounce back as a stronger person because you are the phoenix. And that's why they are confused. Somebody has fantasizing and daydreaming on you. And they feel like you are no longer accepting any offer, especially if these are the past people who participated in this mockery. Tried to put you inside the box, or they tried to throw you under the bus to keep you in the darkness. That's why somebody here is confused. I told you. Others of these people, guys, they are no longer confused because they knew that you have a transformation, and they have seen that as well. These are the same people who are delusional, who painted illusion on you in the past out of jealousy and envy. Pay attention to the number 7. This is your spiritual awakening. This is also your lucky 7. Or somebody have perceived that both of you having a spiritual connection. 7 plus 7 is 14. 1441 is also significant on this reading. January, May, April, July is also significant in this reading. Could be a water sign is involved here. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. There are people nowadays, especially the people who tried to push you in the darkness. They have seen that you have lots of option. I told you, because this is as well your transformation after the darkness of your life. That you bounce back stronger. And they couldn't believe, they couldn't imagine. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. Your challenge in this reading is the Ace of Pentacles. I told you, you have lots of golden opportunity. You are opening the doors of golden opportunity. This is also a good news. This is related to material world. There are lots of people who wants to invest with you. For some of these people, guys, these are the past people who push you in the darkness. But there are also people who wants to invest with you. This is a new person, a new group of people, because this is an Ace of Pentacles. A new beginning. Somebody here wants to invest with you. Could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Could also be any other sign. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Others of you guys, it could also that you are going to receive a message of this person. He wants to tell you that they are going to invest you now. In the past, they tried to hinder your creativity. I told you. Your work, your business because of jealousy and envy. That's why they tried to push you in the darkness because they doesn't want you to shine. But you are the phoenix. That's why, since they couldn't dim your lights, they want to invest with you. Others of you, this is a new person. You are no longer entertaining the past people because you have seen the truth of who they are. You have a powerful new beginning. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to choose wisely because there are lots of people who wants to invest with you. They're very careful because it could also be that there is a confusion here, or somebody here wants to confuse you because they wants to steal your ideas. That's why choose wisely. You look, your first card is also a confusion. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. Your spiritual lesson here is the 5 of Pentacles. That feeling not enough. Left out in the cold and abandoned that you outshine them. For some of these people, guys, these are the same people in the past who prayed for your downfall. Others of you, you help these people, you support them, but they are not supporting you. Instead, they backstab you through the limits. They tried to paint an illusion on you because they doesn't want you to succeed. They are not reciprocating your value, your love, your support. Now that you are no longer entertaining them, they are feeling left out in the cold, abandoned by you. For some of these people, guys, these are the people who spread lies and rumors about you that you are selfish, you are stingy, you are only prioritizing yourself. The same people who are not supporting you. And when they support you, you must have to say, can you support me? Can you do this? Can you do that? And you paid money for them. I told you. Now they are feeling left out in the call because you are no longer entertaining and supporting them. You have learned your lesson. For you, balance is the key. For some of these people, they are wishing your downfall, that you have no money, no food, no homes, everything they take away from you. Now they are the one who is experiencing this. For some of these people, they are losing golden opportunity. While you have here lots of golden opportunity, they are losing their job. They are losing their home. For some of these people, I told you, for coming against you. They are losing their family, they are losing their friends, they are losing their relatives, they are losing the relationship they built for so long. They are separated, they are divorced. Because this is one of the wishes on you, that you are rejected. In the past, they tried harder to painted illusion on you, right? 7 of Cups. I told you. They tried harder to confuse you. I told you. Remember, but they are still trying harder to confuse you. That's why when somebody will offer you a golden opportunity, listen to your intuition and choose wisely, because this is your challenge. There could also be a confusion here, because these are the same people who are delusional. I told you. They tried to confuse you. They painted illusion on you in the past, because they doesn't want people will patronize your business, will follow you if you have platform in social media. I told you. You look, they are feeling rejected and abandoned by the people around them and by you, because you are no longer entertaining them. Not only that, in the past, they spread lies and rumors about you that you are nothing. Now, you outshine them. In fact, they are feeling rejected. That's why somebody is confused and couldn't believe, couldn't imagine. Because for most of you, you are innocent. They did this to you out of jealousy and envy. Their wishes on you that you are alone, like you against the world. They are now experiencing this. I told you. You reject them because they are not also supporting you. All they need from you is to take and take from you, especially your money. There could be a money scam here, or somebody steal your money. Could also, this is related to your business, your creativity, or somebody are using their money to destroy you, to painted illusion on you. You look, a group of delusional people. Now they are the one who is experiencing this. I told you. Whoever you are, go and hell yourself. Shame on you. There could be a significant meaning with a number 5, 50, 55, 51, 15, 57, 75. I told you they are feeling rejected, left out in the cold. Not only that you are rejecting them, the people around them as well, they are no longer connecting each other, because this is one of the wishes on you. Others of these people, they are paying the coven. They did black magic, witchcraft, money spills. I told you, and now it backfires on them. And this is their feelings towards on you, that you reject them. Because in the past, they want you to be rejected, alone, left out in the cold. Unfortunately, whoever you are, I want to tell you, whatever you manifest to me and my collectives, we are interconnectedness people. You are manifesting that to yourself. That's why go and heal yourself. Shame on you. For some of these people, they have problems with money. They are losing their opportunity, their job. Take what resonates. Others of you guys, you are no longer entertaining them. That's why they are feeling rejected, left out in the cold. Could be a minimum of 5 years. They did this to you. A minimum of 7 years. Remember the corresponding number involved in this reading. 75, 57, 51, 15. Number 1, number 10, 11, 11. Your past life connection is involved or participated in this particular situation. Number 55055. Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself. You are not the same person before because you changed. You are the change. Let me see your past situation here is the lovers. I told you. Your karmic twin flame is involved here. Because this is the past. Either a Gemini or this is your twin flame who turns into karmic because of jealousy and envy. The power of two could also be. Somebody is wearing a false mask. I told you, they wants to talk with you. Unfortunately, in the past, you have no time to talk with her. Wishy-washy, with their BS. That's why you are no longer talking to them. They wants to talk with you because they have seen that you are their past life family. Oh my gosh. That's why if they did black magic on you, no wonder they are losing their opportunity. They are feeling rejected. There are lots of ending in their lives because they curse you and they curse their own bloodline for cursing you. That's why they are now feeling rejected, left out in the cold. Their wishes on you backfiring. I told you, unfortunately, somebody is wearing a false mask. And that you are no longer entertaining them because you have seen the truth of who they are and their intention towards you. Could be your past life connection, past life family. A Gemini is involved here. Take only what fits in your story. Remember, June is significant in this reading, May, January, and July. Let me see. Just a minute. Could also be that this is related to a couple, partnership, relationship. Somebody here could also be being tempted. There could be a temptation here, or this could also be your past life family, could also be your karmic twin flame, and they are no longer free. They're very strategic. If you are committed to somebody else, there could be a temptation here, or he wants to put you in a third party situation, but you are no longer entertaining a toxic person. And that's why they are pissed. I told you. The universe advised you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, that you are free of whatever you choose. At the end of the day, this is your own life and your own destiny. But in making an important decision in your life, you're advised to be honest, to be true to yourself, to be wise, and to be strong. But don't forget, love is a greatest gift. Okay? Or somebody's relationship here is over, but there is no final divorce because they have problem related to money. Five of Pentacles. They are now experiencing bankruptcy, but they're still clinging to each other because of codependency, could be. Or they wants to settle this problem related to financial matters. Take what's resonates because everyone is different. Listen to your intuition. Let me see. The current situation here is the Nine of Staves. You stand in your integrity. You have a healthy and strong boundaries. The universe advises you to keep your healthy and strong boundaries because somebody here wants to approach you. Could be the past life karmic twin flame or a couple, the power of two. There could be a significant meaning for you with a number 2, 20, 22, 25, 52, 21, 12, 27, 71. 27, 72. 71, 17 is also significant in this reading. You look. Number 9, 19, 99 is also significant in this reading. This is release. September is important in this reading as well. I told you. February. For some of you guys, you stand in your integrity. You are tired like a wounded soldier because of this person or group of people who always creating too much burdens and pain in your mind and in your heart out of jealousy and envy. Others of these people, guys, this could also be in your workplace. And you are no longer entertaining them or you are gone from this toxic workplace. Now they are struggling because they are being exposed and they couldn't carry the burdens anymore. I told you. Because you stand in your integrity and they couldn't cross the borders of your limitation because you have a strong boundaries. You rise above the tribulations. You are very resilient. That's why always stand in your integrity. Because somebody who wants to offer you a golden opportunity, always listen to intuition because not all offer are best for you. For some of these people, the only ones to confuse you and to steal your ideas. Your challenge is an offering, right? That's why do not second guess your gut instinct. There are people nowadays who are struggling because of your healthy and clear boundaries. These are also the reason, or this is the result of their trickery, lies, and manipulation they cause on you. They cause you as well too much burdens and pain. And I fully understand if you are no longer giving them back an access in your life. Now they're struggling. This is release. I told you. There could be a significant meaning for you with a number 96, 69, 95, 59, 91, 19, 97, 79. Please pay attention. A Sagittarius is involved here. A fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And a water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. You are divinely protected here. You could be an earth angel or a chosen one. If you are tired, the universe advises you to take a rest. I told you because all your hard work is being paid off. I told you. There are only people who doesn't want you to stand in your integrity because they are not experiencing the karma. They are feeling rejected. And they want you to be like them. I told you. Let me see. The future here is the King of Staves. Again, a player energy. For most of you guys, you are in this energy because this is in your reading. This is a leadership position. You show to the world as a leader. You take back your power and you take an action with your dreams. You bring it into a reality in align with your passion. You are very passionate and driven. You take good care of yourself. You pull the energy you give to this person or group of people in the past, you pull back to yourself. And that's why you look so magnetic. You pamper yourself, attractive. And somebody has adoring you. They couldn't resist you. They want to have a passionate relationship with you. Unfortunately, whoever you are, we are no longer dealing a player because this is a player energy. I told you. But somebody who couldn't resist you. Could be a matured father figure. Could also be a boss figure or an heiress. Not necessarily could also be any other sign, but they're struggling because of your healthy and clear boundaries. That's why be very careful because somebody is already committed to somebody else. There could be a temptation here. Or this person having lots of multiple partners, mistresses. And in the past, they're spreading lies and rumors about you. That you are a Jezebel spirit. That you are a homewrecker. That you are sharing your bodies in exchange with money to the different people. I told you. Now they are being exposed that they are the one who is doing this. Others of these people, guys, they are now being exposed that they have lots of mistresses and or relationship affair in the workplace. I told you. And I fully understand if you stand in your integrity, you are no longer giving them back an access in your life. I told you. You are no longer entertaining a player. Nevertheless, they are now being exposed. While you have lots of golden opportunity, they are feeling not enough. I told you, feeling rejected, feeling left out in the cold. Could be an Eras, could also be any other sign, boss figure. Others of you guys, this is your energy, of course. You are so magnetic. Your glowing power is irresistible, male or female. Take only what fits in your story. Do not engage with a red flag because this is a red flag. Good luck, whoever you are. This is the future. Let me see. Your attitude here is the sun. Here comes the sun. And I'll say, it's all right. Yes, it's all right because your life is shining bright. And there are lots of people who couldn't stand your aura, but you don't care. Protect your energy, maintain the balance of your life, and continue your healing journey because you choose to be happy. You choose to heal the wounds they created on you. I told you. There could also be a newborn ideas here. Congratulations, or a newborn child. Others of you guys, there could also be an exposure here of pregnancy or children. This is also an illumination of all the trickery, lies, and manipulation where people painted on you. Your first card is an illusion, right? The delusional people, Seven of Cups. Now they are being illuminated because you are the lights. You illuminate the darkness of this person or group of people who are painted illusion on you. For some of these people, they are in the public eye. For instance, celebrity, singer, model, artist, politician, a leader of the different countries is involved here. A person is in the public eye. In the past, they tried to throw you under the bus because you are the truth of their profession, or you are dealing with a person or a group of people who are attention seeker and it doesn't want you to have attention from this person or group of people because he wants all the attention to them. The reason why they tried to throw you under the bus, by all means, this could also be in your workplace or in your neighboring area, your family, your friend circle, your ex is involved here. Could also be that they are intimidated with your glowing power and that's why they tried to throw you under the bus. Since they failed to throw you under the bus, now they want to harmonize the relationship between you and them. You could be a chosen one or a healer, and that's why you are predestined to shine. I told you. And your past life family, your karmic twin flame is involved here. I never see all. They are participated with this mockery that you are being rejected. They are not supporting you. Not only that, they are not reciprocating your value. Instead, they tried to throw you under the bus and painted a lotion on you. They tried harder and it didn't work because the light is within you. A Leo is involved here as well. An Aries, Sagittarius, Gemini, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and the different signs, numbers involved in this reading. Pay attention. I told you. Now they are being exposed in the public who are or who is the real Jezebel spirits. For some of these people, they are hiding with a religion because they want to maintain their image. They are egoists, they are arrogant. They doesn't want you to shine, but you are predestined to shine. That's why they want to harmonize the relationship between you and them. For some of these people, they are feeling inspired by you. They are enlightened of who you are. I told you. Or you are a flash of inspiration to other people. And lots of people are inspired by you. If this is a new person, they want you to be happy with them. They are hoping that you are going to show your, playfulness, your vulnerability. There is a regeneration here. The vibrancy of summer come into your life because you choose to heal. Somebody here wants to heal the old wounds between you and them, or they perceive you as a healer, or you are the one who healed this person. Could be a person who's in the public eye, not necessary. Could also be a Leo is involved here, along with the different signs come out in this reading. Continue to shine bright like a diamond, but I don't like the singer of shine bright like a diamond. I'm sorry, however she is. I don't like her. I don't like her because she is also I know who she is. That's why protect your energy, because somebody here still tried to dim your lights because they couldn't stand your aura, especially the people around you. Protect your energy. Okay. Let me see. The outside influence here is the King of Pentacles. Somebody here wants to invest with you because you are in this energy of very abundance. When I say abundance, you are a person who can create a great things in order for you to become a successful person. It could also that you are a successful individual, you are the CEO of your own business, or you are dealing with this person. Take what resonates. Or somebody is feeling entitled to your legacy, to your hard work. Could be a Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, but this is the energy of a Virgo. Could also be any other sign. Could also that this person is a rich person, or you are the one who is a rich person, a wealthy person. Somebody wants to invest with you, or they are working in the situationship because in the past they are using money to control you. I told you, or this person wants to tell you, Scorpio, I'm going to pay you to shut you up, to stop your work, especially if you are a public speaker. I told you, because he doesn't want further exposure. But also this person is in the public eye. I told you, or you are the one who's in the public eye, or both of you. Somebody who wants to invest with you, but listen to your intuition because not all offers are good. Somebody who wants to confuse you. I told you, they wants to have or to steal your ideas. That's why listen to your intuition. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio could be a Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio is involved here. Could also be any other sign. Let me see. Your hopes and fears is the Page of Swords. They are watching you. They're stalking you if you have platform in social media. All eyes on you. You have lots of stalkers. And one of the stalkers are the hacker. But also this is a hacker who couldn't let you go, who are watching you like a hawk. Or they engage you to a hacker, they are paying the hacker lots of money. This could also be a person who is a rich person and they are using their money to stalk you, to lie on you, to bully you in the net. I told you. And now they are watching on you. They're strategizing, analyzing how to approach you. They are gathering some information about you. That's why protect your energy and your privacy because you have lots of stalker. Not only in the net, could also be in your surroundings. For instance, your neighbors. I told you. An air sign is involved here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Could also be that this is a hacker in the net. They engage you to a hacker because they doesn't want you to stand in your integrity. They want you to be left out in the cold, to feel like you are not enough. You are more than enough. I told you. They did this to you because they are being rejected, that you outshine them. And you hurt their ego. I told you. They are rich could also be, and they are in the public eye. And since you are no longer entertaining a player, they don't like it. You are no longer entertaining a third party. That's why. They tried to hack your platform in social media. If you have, they doesn't want you to stand in your integrity. You are tired of this person or group of people who are doing this over and over again. I told you. Because you reject them. They are feeling not enough. They are feeling abandoned, left out in the cold, that you outshine them. That's why all they can do is to use their earthly power. These are demonic power. I told you, these are demonic power because this is not the will of God. Whoever you are, shame on you. Go and hell yourself. Could also be a hacker in the net. An earth sign is involved here as well, or he wants to talk with you. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let me see the outcome here is the Eight of Swords. I can't make it up. I told you. For some of these people, guys, they are trapped. in a toxic situationship or a relationship, toxic family, they couldn't move, or they are trapped in the jail, they are now in jail, either physical or spiritual court. These are the same people who played mind games on you, who gaslight you, who wants you to be, to look like crazy, depressive, who wants to bind you with the shackles. Now the other one who is binded with their own shackles. I told you. This is the part of their karma for coming against you. Imagine they engage you to a coven and they're using their money to bully you, to hurt you. Oh my gosh, go and hell yourself whoever you are. But now, this is the outcome. Number 8 is what goes around come back around. They are now experiencing what they are wishing on you. That's why I said, whoever you are, go and hell yourself. You are just writing your own misery. I told you. For some of these people, guys, they are feeling victimhood, that you victimize them, because for some of these people as well, they are narcissists. They will not accept the consequences of their action. Instead, they twist the story and play victims. An air sign is involved. Her Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I told you. This is an air sign. Pay attention with the number 880, 88, 86, 68, 82, 28, 89, 98, 87, 78, 81, 18, 85, 58. There could be a significant meaning for you about this number. I told you. Now they are feeling trapped. They couldn't make it up. Or they are binded with their family, with their traditional belief, I don't know, or a toxic relationship, or they are in jail for coming against you. This is the part of their karma. Could also be any other reason. And that this is one of the wishes on you, that you have problem in the court, that you are being trapped, that you are in jail. They are the one who is now in jail. They are trapped for some of these people because they wants to trap you. This is an entrapment. Or they wants to trap you with an offer. They wants to confuse and to trap you with a golden opportunity. That's why, because your first card is 7 of Cups and your challenge is the Ace of Pentacles, and it ended up with 8 of Swords. Nevertheless, you are divinely protected here because you are an Earth Angel. 888 is your Lion's Gate portal, your abundance, your blessings coming your way while they are trapped. No matter how they try to do this to you, you will come out because you are an Earth Angel. You are a chosen one. You are a healer for some of you, the Sun. That's why their wickedness won't never prosper. Well, whoever you are, go and try. You are just only writing your own misery. I told you. 880, 88 is significant in this reading as well. Please pay attention with the corresponding number, numerology involved in this reading. What goes around, come back around. Trying to trap you, trying to confuse you. You are no longer confused of who you are. They couldn't confuse you. That's why you have a healthy and clear boundaries. You are tired of the repeated manipulative behavior. I told you. That's why listen to your intuition before you accept any offer, because they are now trapped, but they can still try it. I told you, go and heal yourself wherever you are. Any other card here, please? Let me see. Any other card here, please? Divine Angels, give me more clarity in this reading. Any other card here, please? We have her egoist and arrogant. You are dealing with a person who is egoist and arrogant and who will not accept the consequences of the action, or they twist the story that you are egoist and arrogant because you are no longer entertaining toxic, manipulated people. We have here taking your kindness as your weakness. I told you. Because they took your kindness as your weakness. Any other card help, please? We have her rock star singer is involved in this situation. That's why a group of people who is in the public eye is involved her as well. I told you, sorrow and pain. They are now in sorrow and pain. You have a celebration here, or do you want to celebrate the milestone of your success? Any other card here, please? We have here goodbye players. Oh, sorry. Goodbye players. Big mistake. Huge for coming against you. Tried to painted you an illusion. Now they are the one who is trapped because this is one of their wishes on you to trap you, to look like you are left out in the cold, you against the world. Now they are hunted, depressed, and prostrated because they wants to trap you, to bind you with the shackles, and you manage to alchemize the shackles. And now you are free with the shackles. They are binded with their own shackles. They couldn't stand because your light is shining bright. Yeah, look, a fake friend is involved here. That's why listen to your intuition. Your light is shining bright. You are a self-made. And if the other people in the public eye doesn't want me to talk, they are claiming that they are a self-made, but the truth are not. They are not a self-made. They sold their soul to the devil. I told you. Oh my gosh, go and help yourself. We have here, they're amazed with your integrity. I told you, because you stand in your integrity. We have here, stupid fries for calling you stupid. Oh my gosh. Any other card here, please? We have here, mad and intimidated by you because all their wishes on you, they are now the one who's experiencing this, includes the coven. Scared because they are now exposed in the public of what they have done on you. They are scared. Oh my gosh. We have her sexy outfit. They are trapped with your sexy outfit. You could be a person who is wearing a sexy outfit, and this is the best camouflage for you to trap these toxic players, manipulative, breaking control, and it is effective. Oh my gosh. They want to harmonize with you, to let bygones be bygones. Are you sure, people? Go and help yourself. Any other card, celebrity and fame. Somebody here is engaged you as well with black magic. They're doing rituals. Includes the celebrity. Oh my gosh. You could also be a celebrity. And somebody here could also be, they wants to promise you that I'm going to make you a famous Scorpio. You are no longer, you already famous in the eyes of God. You don't need this Illuminati people. Oh my gosh, I will not talk further because this is not my energy. Mind games no more. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You see? All their manifestations on you backfires on them because this is one of their wishes. Sending negative energy on you through the air. Well, I will send it back to you if you send this to me and my collectives 100 times right now in the name of the Divine Most High. Go and heal yourself. Amen. Any other card here, please? Oh gosh. Praying to your ancestors to forgive them. Praying to your ancestors. Because they are now being exposed. An exposure. Exposure! Oh my gosh! And finance advisor is involved here. Or you could also be a finance advisor by profession. Or somebody here perceive you as finance advisor. Or somebody here wants to audit your income. I don't know. This is all about. Or somebody who needs a finance advisor. They couldn't figure you out because they are now confused for coming against an earth angel. Oh my gosh, people, go and help yourself. Let me see. They are fantasizing on you. That's why your first card is the Seven of Cups, right? Fantasizing and daydreaming. But they are now trapped because this is one of the wishes on you, feeling left out in the cold, rejected, abandoned, and they still wants you to be like them. That's why protect your energy because not all offer is good. Listen to your intuition because there are still people who couldn't stand your aura because your light is shining bright. That ends your readings for today. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonance to you guys, just don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye. Mwah.